Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, you're watching the Urban Rats, and today we're in the town of Burnley. I come down from that roundabout there. We've come down this bit of a verge, up through all these prickles, and look at this. Once upon a time, a road what would have come from that way before the motorway was built, and it would have come through over this railway bridge and onto the other side, which is now a roundabout. So all these markings are still on the road, look. So where they are, these are the railway tracks, and maybe we'll see a train tonight. Right, well, we've not got long before the sun goes down here, so let's get this bag off the back and get ourselves set up with the tent we're going to be using tonight. Yeah, baby. This here is the M65 and it goes to Blackburn. So the tent we're going to be using tonight is going to be the Nature Hike Cloud 1 upgrade. So let's get this set up. Last time I found some money was £25 at Screwfix. And anyway, I've just found 2p on floor. That's the way it was, look. See how it's clean on that side and all messed up on that side? That's because it's been like that for God knows how long. So 2p or not 2p is the question. Right, we're using the thermal rest bed tonight. I'm going to blow it up with flex tail pump. Oh yes. This should only take a minute. And as you can see, we've got plenty of room in this one-man tent. And obviously, yeah, that's on its way up. Living the dream, baby. We are living the dream. And that's it. She's up. I'm absolutely boiling. I've had to take my coat off and put it in the tent. And yeah, we're all set up there. I'll give you a quick look at what we're going to be drinking tonight. So yep, we are on the Guinness. I've not had it for a few weeks, so I brought it back. And I forgot my pint glass, so I had to go in petrol station and get myself a Starbucks cup. So that's us with stealthy drinking tonight. But first, before we open the Guinness, I give myself a little treat, because I thought I'm always hot when I get there. I'll need a bit of cold drink. So yeah, I got myself the Jack Daniel's can with cherry coke. Cheers. Yeah, and these taste absolute fantastic. Yeah, so it took a bit of doing, getting along that banking, and as I started getting higher to this wall, there were like deep nettles, you know, last year's nettles, what are all dried up and that. Oh my days, probably shredded half my legs. But anyway, got to the top of like, oh, climbing over with all that weight on my back. Anyway, we're here. I did try first from the other side of the bridge, but it's got like 10-foot railings on that side what have got like sharp edges and that, so there was just no chance of me getting on that way. But I looked through and I thought I could see it wall, so I looked on my phone on map. I've just followed it just round down the banking and up. So yeah, what a mission. When you see these places, when you have a look on Google, you don't know how old the map is on Google. You don't know what you get into till you get there. So anyway, I've made it. And we're all set up. So I don't want to disappoint you all, but I've already had something to eat today. I had chips and beans. And anyway, I thought I'll get an afters. I thought, what can I get for me afters tonight? What I can enjoy. So I got myself here a blackcurrant pie from the bakery. And as we all know, the blackberry pie always tastes better with some custard. So me personally likes to eat up the custard before I pours it on my pie. This is high-end food, this high-end camping food. Yep. Wow. And them pies, full of flavour. Do you want some? Oh. Well, welcome to 5-star dining with the Urban Rats. Cheers, guys. What did you say in Camping World? This is where it's at. All I can say is, a nappy rat is a camping rat. So there you go. Look at that, just bursting with flavours. Wow. Stick with me, guys, and you'll be alright. Yeah, and good thing is as well, with stuff like this, it's easy to make. You know what I mean? It's no messing about. And hey, I've just been looking that way, sorry about that. And full moon's just popped up right in front of me at Endert Bridge. Should I see if I can see it? It's right there. Well, soon goes dark, doesn't it? 1 minute. It's alright. It's like sun's just going down. Next minute, moon pops up. Before you know it, before I finish this, it'll probably be dark. Huh? There we go. Last little bit. Last little bit. Wow, that was nice, that. You know what time it is now, don't you? Yeah, you got it right. Time to hit the Urban Rats bar. Finish this can off first. Pour ourselves a Guinness. Come on, I'm going to take it to the other side here and show you the other side of the bridge. Go on it wall in case it collapses, because you never freaking know, do you? Dirt railway lines. Look at this. I mean, freaking heck, I don't know how safe it is up here. It's probably not been used for a while. Yeah, looking at that 2p anyway. Yeah. Bloody hell, more brambles. Yeah, this is the side I couldn't get on here. Couldn't get through, look. It's got all this in the way. But yeah, there's the road on the other side. See if we can get a little bit further. There, look. Got a roundabout over there. And halt traffic. Look. Yeah. So yeah, at one time this would have been a through road. Thought motorway were built 65 and it would have come straight through here. into town. Bloody hell, eh? Look, all white lines are still down on the road. Jeez, there mustn't have been a footpath though. Tell you that much. Right. Look how far drop is though. This bridge is an high bridge. I'll tell you that for nothing. It's an high bridge. Yeah, so we're going to stay over to end anyway, where it's safe. So if it collapses through where I am, I'm only going to fall about 6 foot. So it's not too bad, is it? Yeah, let's have a quick look over this side now, because here's a tent. This is where we come over. Oh, this is where we got over. And there's the busy road. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but moon's at end here. And it's a full moon tonight. Oh! This is it, the darkness. And I don't mean the band, I mean the actual bloody weather, so here. Oh, there you go. Did you hear that? Woo! Yeah, I believe in a thing called love. That was the darkness. Yeah, fancy forgetting the pint glass. I got out my car and I put my beers in the fridge in my boot. I put the fridge in my boot so it keeps them cool in this hot heat while I've been cruising about. And I thought, oh my god, the pint glass. And I parked up at the side of this old pub and I thought, oh, I'll go in and get myself a glass. Anyway, turned out the pub was derelict. It was shut down. Well, it weren't derelict, it was just shut down, you know what I mean? Look at that. It's like halves. Sorted that one out, didn't we? Get the other bit in now. Weren't too bad, were it? Get this one down and we can open up another one. Cheers, campers. Oh yeah, that's great that. And I tell you what, I can see as well, I'm sat here and this bridge, it's about 100 foot up from tracks. I can just see bats keep coming over and that, you know what I mean? Anyway, yeah, just gonna chill out now and watch the moon and the traffic at the other side. What's Burnley known for? We've got a football club, Burnley Football Club. What else are they known for, Burnley? Does anyone know? If you know what Burnley's known for, put it down in the comments and keep it clean. Get the tinfoil hat on, because my mate, it's just been on phone. And he went, yeah, we're going on about moon. I went, yeah, just moon just come up, like. And he went, yeah, it's one of them daytime moons, like, you know what I mean? I went, you know, it comes up a few times a year, the daytime moon, you know what I mean, if you've been looking. And he went, what is it now? I said, I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you what it's called. It's called Flat Earth. And he went, oh, you're tinfoil, like, yeah, and put phone down. So, nice one, right? Hey, and there's a train. So, the trains anyway, they've just gone past. But if you're not quick, they're gone. They're pretty quiet, the electric trains, so they just come through quiet and they're gone. By the time I get to that wall or that wall, gone. Well, I think in the morning we're going to have to get up early so we can get over this wall and up this little bit of a slit road here, because I'll tell you now, it's going to be busy. People commuting to work, coming off the motorway and that. So yeah, we're going to have to be on the boat. No sleeping in the castle here. I don't, you know what I mean? Got to be up and on the ball and over the wall. Yeah, on the ball and over the wall, the rat says. Do you want to know anyway? Like, where's he just come from? Flipping hole in ground. You won't think, oh yeah, he's come from some flipping bridge over there or something. Well, we can't see it. What the heck? So yeah, we just sat about in the cold tonight. Loving it, mate, loving it. Yeah. What else would you be doing? Sat at home with central eating on, watching some crap on YouTube, like the Urban Rats. Nope, I'm out and about. Oh yeah. We better get another. We better get another one. It's like they've been shook up. I'm all shook up. Yes, and here we go. This is where it's at the bar tonight. Let it settle a minute, pour a bit more, nice and slow. Yep, just all time for this proper pipe pouring business. Time, innit? You go to the pub, you pull the tap, and the beer goes halfway up, and then they pour someone else's, they stop it, go and pour someone else's pint, come back and finish it off, don't they? You're sat there going, yeah, wait a minute, what about me? Anyway. That was a mouth of froth. Oh, that's it, down to black stuff now. Yes. Well, it was a good idea from the rat, weren't it? Going getting himself a flipping Starbucks cup. Otherwise, I'd have been struggling. Yeah? I'd have had to use my bloody coffee cup. Then in the morning, my coffee would have tasted like Guinness. Huh? Oh, and can I say, thanks to all you lot who watched my last video. It was 4 minutes long on the Lanshan 2. And I did like a little bit of a thing on that. So, thanks you lot who did watch it. And especially those who put a comment. And if you've not watched it, don't be tight. Go over, give it a quick view for 4 minutes. It's not going to kill you, is it? You can't watch 4 minutes of a video. Jeez. I'm giving up on yous. But anyway, it's a cracking little tent, that. And I'm just waiting for the weather to change and the wind to drop. Then I'm going to get out and do a little bit of well camping in it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. But in the meantime, we can just be out here, can't we? In all these fantastic 5-star locations. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because that's what we like doing. Getting out where no man ever goes. Yeah. Apart from the crackies and that. But yeah, get there, do all them kind of camps. Yeah, and when I need to stretch my legs, that'll be it. Out with a Lanshan too. Oh yeah. Yeah, well here we go. We've just had the workers turn up, look. And it looks like, I'll tell you what they're doing. Oh, they're litter picking down the slip road, and that's what they're doing there. So it's traffic management, and the picking up the litter at the minute, and the one on the left hand side is cleaning out the grids. So yeah, this is the cleaning team for the motorway. I can hear that motorbike doing about 100 miles an hour. Do you know, I seem to hear motorbikes doing high speeds every camp I go on, you know, like But anyway, I don't know if you're hearing this. Sounds like me and my Kia when I've just paid for it fixed. Well, I'm not sure if you picked that police siren up or not, but it come up down this road here, over the bridge and down there, so wherever that goes, I don't know. But yeah, you can see on camera, it looks like nice blue colour behind me, doesn't it? And that'll be north, because that's where the sun went down. And this way, look at that. That just looks grim, that, doesn't it? That looks like there's some not good weather coming in there. So if you're an American audience, you won't see it, it's there. Got a long bonnet, it looks like, actually, looked like a Mack truck. And it was red and white. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to let you lot go, because there's not much happening. I'm just here, freezing my arse off, drinking Guinness out of a Starbucks cup, and there's gonna be no action, because you know what I mean, we're a bit in the middle of nowhere-ish. So yeah, I'll get myself off. If I can get you any footage, I'll bring you back, but if not, I'll see you lot in the morning. Good night, guys. Well, good morning from the rat. It's time to get up, so let's get outside and take a look. Looks like we're going to have a nice sunrise anyway, look at this. Oh, look at this. Yes. And there's the bridge this morning. Wow. You see the road over there? Wow. Come on. And there's the railway line down there. Woo. Well, time for the rat to get this kettle on anyway. Well, it's coming light pretty quick, isn't it? Jeez. And I tell you now, it's pretty fresh this morning. So, we're going to get ourselves on the campinguk, I think, and get the day happening, innit? Oh. We're just waiting on water boiling now. Then we've got ourselves on a brew. Kettle's boiled. So this is last night's setup. And this is the bridge this morning, and you can see the white line still on the road here, or what was once a road. This is the M65 this morning. Look looking at. Yeah, and look at how deep all this is that the rat had to jump in last night to get on here. And that is our way out as well, so... First things first, and we can have our brew. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Brew with a view. Oh yes. Right, well, that's the end of the camp on the abandoned road, what goes over the railway bridge. So until next time, stay safe, stay stealthy, and I'll see you on the next Urban Rats adventure. Over and out. Come on, I'll take you with me.